You call us at Duramaxtuner.com to tell us you want to add more power to one of these rigs. The last thing I want to do is tell you to compromise some element of functionality to add that power reliably. And that's where that twin turbo kit comes in. We worked with the guys at WC Fab to build a kit that is just as reliable as the OEM components, uses high quality, thick, overbuilt fasteners, bigger flanges, just a beefy kit that packages really nicely in the factory position, uses the factory air box, situates nicely under the hood, and gives you that extra air that's going to make this engine really happy at that higher horsepower level. The first emissions equipped twin turbo kit we did was in 2013. The second one we did was Worley's regular cab. That one's currently got 40,000 miles on it, and those guys drive it. They use it to tow, they use it to run errands, everybody at the shop gets to drive it. It really isn't cut any slack. Don't take my word for it. Let's head to a ride along with Chris and Tyler.
Kind of go through a little bit of the setup so everyone understands the foundation. It's a stock turbo over an S369 Borg-Warner turbocharger, 10 millimeter CP4 pump from Exergy Performance, built transmission.
The trans actually isn't that built, it just has a torque converter in it.
Lift pump, tuning of course from us over at Duramaxtuner.com. And that's pretty much the setup, would you have to say, Tyler?
Yep.
The throttle is extremely nice. Like it's very linear, there is no dead spot, it's very responsive. Going into it from a roll, you know, we're doing 60, and I mean, this thing just wants to take off. Like, when I took it for the first drive yesterday, right? And I got in it, and
you were stoked.
I was like, you gotta be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. Like, this is extremely impressive. I mean, it's impressive driving the trucks with the single turbochargers, but I think this compound kit literally takes it to the next level.
If you own a 2015 or 2016 LML Duramax, you bought that truck for a reason. You have a purpose in mind. You're gonna tow with it, you're gonna use it on the farm, you're gonna drive with it cross country. Whatever you're gonna use that truck for, if you're gonna add power to it, you don't wanna lose that functionality. You want it to be just as reliable, just as clean, just as quiet, just as comfortable in your day-to-day commute. The twin kit on the LML is where it's at. Give us a buzz at Duramaxtuner.com, 815-568-7920. We would love to talk to you about your personal truck and how this kit would fit your application. I'm Nick, thanks for watching.